everybody. How's it going? Happy boats and bluegrass. The campfire rose for the fiddler tonight, and the kids are dancing with the light in their eyes. And the night it sparkles where it's wandering suns, so it's woven sweaters for everyone. The leaves are falling to the ground, and they're dry and twisted and orange and brown, and I have no home, I have no king, and open spaces are calling me. Like gypsies on a wagon, hobos on a train, old boat on a river, hippies in the band, in a caravan. Harmonica Joe, a six-pack on his back, and the old steel train is running the track, and he hops on board as the wind blows, jogging through the mountains of Idaho. The leaves are falling to the ground, and they're dry and twisted and orange and brown, and I have no home, and I have no king, and open spaces are calling me. Like gypsies on a wagon, old boat on a train, old boat on a river, hippies in a van. I strum my guitar on the river dive. I got a big straw hat, cause the sun is shining, and I shut my eyes for an hour or two, floating down the river in an old canoe. And the leaves are falling to the ground, and they're dry and twisted and orange and brown, and I have no home, and I have no king, and open spaces are calling me. Like gypsies on a wagon, hobos on a train, old boat on a river, hippies in a van, in a caravan. And I'm riding the highway in the captain's chair. I got the tunes cranked up, I got the wind in my hair, and the road is long, and I'm driving slow through the sagebrush desert down to Mexico. The leaves are falling to the ground, and they're dry and twisted and orange and brown, and I have no home, and I have no king, and open spaces are calling me. Like gypsies and hobos, old boats and hippies, gypsies and hobos and no boats and hippies, and gypsies and hobos and no boats and hippies and cowboys and hobos and rowboats and hippies in a Dodge Caravan. All right, boats of Bluegrass. Good to be out on the river.